Hi guys, welcome to my new house. No, I'm joking. This is not my new house. I wish it was, because this is a lovely 4-bedroom house that I'm showing you in the same area. So we are back in Community 14 in Tema. So I'm going to take you around and see the house. This house is really big. So let's just go and have a look. Like the living area?
It's the living area.
Okay, okay. This is a nice big space.
And the dining. It's a dining area.
Oh, this is a dining area here.
Yeah,
okay.
That's the living area.
Okay, so you set up your sofas here and then you have your dining. Okay, so it's like an open plan dining living room area.
Yeah. And over there you have the visitors washroom.
Okay. This is a decent size for a kitchen. This is a really big space. Like, I reckon I could do a cartwheel in here.
Yeah.
Straight, no problem. Okay, so we have a nice pantry storage area here. So all your stuff that maybe you bulk buy, you can stick in there out of the way.
That's it.
Okay, and again, we can make some adjustments to the kitchen if you don't like the units.
Exactly.
Change the color, and all of that.
You can extend the cabinet here if you want, but when you have your fridge here.
Right, okay.
Yeah, connect into power source and water for the ice cubes.
Ooh.
Yeah. So this is a 4-bedroom house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have one bedroom. All the rooms are in suites.
Okay.
So this is like your guest room.
Right, okay, so this is a downstairs guest room,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So every room is en suite, so that's
Yeah.
really handy, so, because you know, when you're a guest in someone's house, you don't really want to be creeping around the hallway, you know, to go to the bathroom. It's a decent size, so you don't feel cramped in there, so that's good.
Same. Exactly as what we have down there.
Okay, okay. So this is just basically a copy of the room downstairs, upstairs.
Yeah.
So do you do inbuilt wardrobes, or you just buy, it's just going to be a free?
Okay, so that depends on the client. If the client wants us to take care of that for him or her, we do that.
Okay.
Yes, but we provide a space for the closets.
Okay.
Yeah. So just as I was explaining to you earlier, this house, it has 2 living areas. First one we saw downstairs, the living area and the dining, and this is the family area.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
That's nice, that's nice. So I think a house that's this big, you're going to probably have children, so it's nice to keep upstairs like kind of away, so you can like let the children make a little bit of mess here. And downstairs can look picture perfect.
This is the master bedroom.
Okay.
This walk-in closet.
Alright, okay.
This is the washroom.
Wow. It's always good to have a bathtub, I think, in the master bedroom, because sometimes, you know, you want to chill out, you want to relax, and so if you're in the master bedroom, it's nice to be able to have the option of a bath or a shower. So for me, you get a thumbs up for that.
Then you have the queen's room.
The what? The queen's what room?
The queen's room.
Okay, queen's room. We have a queen's room, people. A queen's room. Okay. So does that mean the husband and wife, they sleep separately?
Exactly. Yeah.
They don't sleep together in the same room. That's how we're doing it now, eh? Okay.
This is the queen's room. This is the closets, and then the washroom.
Okay, okay. So a similar thing where you have your walk-in wardrobe and then you have your bathroom as well. I really like the whole family space, because I feel like that's really important, especially if you've got a big family, to have areas where you can be together if you want, but also separate, because I think that just works. It just works nice as a family. Well, it does for my family anyway. So that sometimes when we're annoying each other, we can scatter, and then when we want to be together, we can come together in certain areas. So that's really nice. Man, this is a nice place to have breakfast. Wow. Just get a nice table here, sit up, have breakfast. Yeah, that's really cool. Just need some house help to set up everything. So when you open your eyes in the morning, everything is ready. You know, you got your croissants, you got your everything here done, your fruits, everything. I like it. This is still another decent size though, isn't it? So you can like sit, put a sofa here, and you can sit here, read a book, and just chill out. One thing I have to ask you though, what is internet like in this area? Because internet is really important to a lot of people because it's like communication. Some people work from home. So what's your internet services like here?
Okay, so each house it has its own Wi-Fi. Okay, that's already provided. The connections, the wiring, and everything is done.
Oh, it's in the ground?
Yes, everything.
Okay, fine.
Is done for each house.
Oh, perfect.
So once you come in, over here in this country, the telecos, the telcos, we have MTN, we have Vodafone.
Yeah.
So we leave that to the client's preference. If you want to do Vodafone, that's it. And if you want to do MTN, that's it. But we have done all the connections for the house already. Wherever you are, you get the
That's very, very handy because I hate wires being left all over the place. So the fact that it's gone underground already, it makes the connection really, really easy. Okay. And so the Wi-Fi works really
perfect.
good.
Yes.
Good. I like that. Because there are some beautiful houses, but they're so far out sometimes, and you can't get good internet connection. And for me, that spoils the house because the internet's not there yet, and so you have no access. But having internet here is perfect. That's really good. Okay. So one thing you haven't told me yet, I don't know why you're holding it back, but how much is this house going for?
Okay. So this is a 4-bedroom house. It's all en suite. The plot size for this is 70 feet by 90 feet. So for this house, we're selling this for $450,000. That is the selling price.
Okay.
For anyone who comes in, depending on your payment terms, how schedule the payments. The standard, of course, is a 20% down deposit, and then in 2 years we can do, the balance of the 80. But if you want to do 1 year or 6 months or upfront payments, just as I explained in the alphabet, the discount is much higher.
Right.
Yeah. So depending on your payment term, that's when we work out the discount.
So the quicker you pay, the more discount you can get.
Exactly.
What's the outside space like? Is there like enough compound space?
Yes. I said earlier we have the plot size for this is 70 by 90. Okay, so aside the space of the house where the house is occupying, you can park about 4 cars on your compound.
Oh really? Can we see?
Yes, you can.
I have to believe you. Seeing is believing, that's what they say.
It's perfect. Okay, so this is your garage.
Okay, so can you have this closed off?
Yes, you can. We have some of the houses that, have the garage closed. You can have it closed, automated of course.
Yeah.
Closed garage. And you have, the parking, you have the pavement area. You can use that for parking as well. And you can extend the pavement area all the way through.
Right, okay.
There. So you can park, more than 4 cars.
I see.
You have one in your garage, you have one here, and you have 2 more here.
I think it's really important to have the garage area because I found that times that where you park your car outside the sun, the heat just becomes too much. So I think being able to park it inside is really, really handy. So this whole estate here, okay, because I've never seen here before. How many houses are here?
Okay, so in all we have 54 houses. Okay, and they have 3 bedrooms that we can easily expand to 4.
Okay.
And there are 4 bedrooms, we can expand to 5, and there are 5 bedrooms here also. But unfortunately, we have all the 3 bedrooms sold out. 54, the number of houses remaining here now, we just have 5.
Only 5?
Only 5.
Hey, Chale.
We have only 5 houses remaining.
Okay.
And this is Les Jardins Symphonique. This is one of the projects that Waylead Company Ghana Limited has put up here.
Okay.
And very soon we are also going to have semi-detached houses, coming up. We're starting that next year.
Okay.
They are going to be 4 bedrooms, not 1 story.
Is that your second phase?
Yes. This one. This one is a separate project. This is majorly.
Oh, okay.
And the semi-detached houses are also going to be separate, projects from this.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and that we are starting next year.
Right.
We're going to hit the ground running. Next year we're going to start selling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, it seems to be doing very well so far because you've only got 5 units left here. So, I'm late. I'm late. But no, this is really, really nice. I love it because it feels very serene when you come in. So as you enter the estate, it's very calm. Even though there's still a bit of building work going on, the whole place just feels very calm. It's not like really noisy and stuff. And so I really like that. Okay, so tell me one thing. Do you get a lot of mosquitoes here? I always have to ask that.
Okay, so the thing is that, you see, one of the reasons why we are selling so fast, okay, we have only 5 houses will be. This place is very close to the beach.
Ah.
Okay, so from here, less than 50 minutes, you are at the beach. The port
A
is
walk
right
or drive?
Drive.
Drive. Okay.
Yes, 15
Okay.
minutes drive.
Okay.
You get to the beach.
Yeah.
So just as you said, you can feel the breeze right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's difficult to have mosquitoes, in this area.
Yeah.
But for Whaley, we fumigate the area. Okay, from
okay.
time to time.
Wow.
Okay, yes. So let's say every 3 months, the entire area is fumigated, so you don't have mosquitoes disturbing our clients in this area. So for that, I can promise you that you're not going to have any mosquitoes.
Good. I don't have any bites, so
And
I'm
also,
good.
even for all the windows, we have the mosquito nets to prevent them from coming to your house, even when it's open. Yeah, so we put in all these measures to make sure that when you buy your house, you stay healthy in your house. You don't have any mosquito bites. Send you to the hospital.
It's important.
Exactly.
Okay guys, so you have seen the house for yourself. It's absolutely amazing. I really like this area. It's so nice. If you are interested in purchasing some of the houses, as I said, there's only five units available here, but they are doing another phase, so you can definitely talk to them about that. Again, I will leave all the details in the description box and you can contact them. Please, when you contact the company, let them know that you saw the video from me first, okay, and negotiate yourself a discount, yeah, okay, tell them that, yeah, okay. So anyway guys, like I said, everything will be in the description box. Please head over, you can check out their Instagram page as well. They have an Instagram page. I will put that as well into the description box. If you haven't already subscribed, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button for me and the notification bell. And don't forget to do me a favor and like this video so a lot more people get to see it. I'd appreciate that so much. Until next time, I am out. Nuti Fafa.